Okay, we've got everything done inside now, so it's all set. We got our that in. We made sure the back fit okay. So our last thing we want to do is we want to put our ears on. I put these blocks on so our ears don't slide on us when I try to screw them in. I'm going to use a 1-inch screw.
Ladies and gentlemen, a little illumination on the cornet. For my big family, I like cornet. Why aren't there horns in this? Cornet power. Yeah, I want cornet blue. Cornet pretty cornet If I were a billionaire, I'd buy the rights to the obscure TV show for cornet blue and make it a movie.
If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're going to screw these on, and we're going to put a little bit of glue on it too, keep it from twisting on us. Set this against the block. This one's set where we want to put it. Got that set, so we'll tighten them up. Got the ears set, everything's done. Last thing we do is we take this hook here, and this will go into the bottom of your stick. You put a rubber band on this and the bottom of the body. That helps to hold the head for you. So thanks for watching.